In recent time, we can see some floral background photo in social media. So people like it and the floral frame gonna viral. So today I'll show you how to work your photo in floral background. So let's get started. First you need some floral background. You can collect it from Google in this way. Well, now select your photo. Remember, you should keep your photo similar color tone or dress color with floral background. So in this tutorial I selected red rose and a model with red sari. So now you need to remove your photo background. Go to remove background website, upload your photo and download it. Now go to Pixellab. If you have not this app, so check out it in Play Store. Well, choose the floral background. And now import your photo on it. Select your photo, turn on shadow. Increase blur radius. You can also stock it, but I don't in this video. So that's it. Now save the photo alter mode. So hope you guys enjoy it and you can use it or apply it in your photo. If you get more technical skill or tech or educational things, so do subscribe our channel. Stay with us. Take care.